Alright guys, this is going to be really loud because we're at the ocean side here. There's construction being done as well. We're going to climb into the sky from a fun spot, and hopefully the thing won't end up in the water, because if you think the walk of shame is bad, imagine the swim of shame, or not being able to get the drone back. So that would be the worst of all. So I'm going to turn on the GoFly app, and I wanted to live stream this, but we can't live stream it. Watch out, don't get so close to the drone, Susan. And ready to go.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on
Perfect
the
spot,
map.
perfect day, and up we go. We're not going to go up too high. We're going to check out some of this cool stuff going on here. There are people here, but they're surfing. And the worst that could happen right now is the drone falls down and hits the rocks.
What?
Hits the rocks. You know the rocks? Not the rock. You're always thinking about the rock, right? Anywho, I can do a little bit of a zoom to see how cool it is around here. But first we're going to turn a little bit to the left. Oh. It's awesome here. And to the right. It's a great time to fly. I'm going to go up a little bit higher, just a tiny bit. 100% line of sight. And we're going to go away from the people down this route over here. You guys know me, I like to fly real slow. On the other side, there are a lot of awesome people, but they're very far away from the drone, which is important. And right below, you'll see the spot where we are, just hanging, as one likes to. Oh, those waves are impressive. And there are some seagulls. Let's climb, so hopefully you'll see it in the shot. Because DJI does not have the ability to aim its camera up at this point, because it's a DJI Mini. Best we could do is try to follow the gulls, as we are doing right now. Ooh, we've got some good surfing going on here. Anyway, I'm gonna head back towards us real quick. You can see the Coast Guard, or not the Coast Guard. There he is. The lifeguard. It should, well, you guys are too young to know about Baywatch, but, you know, used to watch Baywatch. This is California. Dreams sometimes do come true. I used to watch Baywatch, not Bay House, from good old Europe. And many years later, I'm here in California. Living the dream, as they say. Living the dream. go. We've got some serious waves coming out here, which is so cool. We'll go a little bit further out. Coming straight back down this way. See. It's fighting the wind, no problem today. What a zone, guys, what a zone. There's a little island down there. I don't know if you can call it island, maybe just a rock formation. But we won't go all the way down there. We'll do the FN button instead. Wait, no. Yeah, FN button and zoom to zoom on it there. Not too shabby. We got two times zoom going. And now we'll go back to normal. And we'll head back from whence we came. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Up we go a little bit more. We're gonna come down for a nice landing. Taking it nice and slow. We're gonna turn the drone away. I don't know if you guys got to see that seagull. It is going around. But we're gonna come down for a nice, relaxed landing so you guys can still see the scenery. It is really cool here. We've got plenty of battery to spare. We don't have a perfect flat surface to land on, but DJI has an amazing track record of not destroying itself, so let's see if that is the case today. And if not, I could just land it by catching it, which is also an option, kind of, sort of.
Landing.
Wow, we just can't get any smoother than the DJI landings. But anyway, there we go. There we go. Awesome wave just coming our way. Beautiful day. Fantastic flight. Nobody got hurt. No animals were hurt in the process. And I think we'll just call it a day. So there we go. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.